Hey guys, well, welcome back to Theme Parks and Horror Stuff. I know we've been gone for a minute, but we're back. Had a well-deserved break. We're here at 8P night at Universal Studios Hollywood. Excited to hang out with the Grinch and Max and all the woohoos and doohoos. You ready for tonight, Gustavo?
Yeah.
Try some new drinks, some new foods. We're going to have dinner, an early dinner at Tucson right now because we're hungry.
Yeah.
Just so we can have some food in our bellies in case there's nothing good inside. So.
Well, can't wait to be in there.
Yay! Welcome past members. 7 to 11. Oh, it's 11 tonight. Nice. I thought it was only 10. Gustavo! You ready to go to the special event tonight?
Oh, yeah, this is our first
I thought it was only
one.
till 10, but it's till 11. Let's stay the whole time.
Yeah.
Stay the whole time. Even though we're going to Disneyland tomorrow, but it's all about Universal tonight. And the Grinch. Got our lanyards for Wednesday, November 29th, the Passover, our past member holiday park takeover. That's a mouthful. Got all the holiday decorations. We're excited. So it's our first time doing a after hours park event at Universal, so I'm really excited. What about you?
I'm excited to see what we could do.
Yeah.
What, 3-4 hours? 4 hours?
5 hours.
Oh.
It's on because it's open till 11.
Okay.
So he still thinks it's closing at 10. We got the whole park decorated. Oh look, they have the taxi cab over here covered in snow.
Yeah. After it rained too.
They should have the snowman next to it. Because oh yeah, it rained today. Was not expecting that. But good thing we were eating out at Tucson while it did that.
No. I looked at it.
Let's go check out. You want to go visit Grinch? Oh,
Yeah.
let's look. They have new foods here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Got sandwiches, the bread bowls, apple pie funnel cake. Oh, I do want to try, maybe not today, because I ate already, but the slow roasted turkey sandwich. That sounds good. Oh, it closed today. Dang it. Well, next time.
Next time.
Oh yeah, look, all the chairs are back at the Lamel Court. Dang, Mario Kart's only 10 minutes right now.
Oh, wow.
That's crazy. Look at these short times because of the rain. Kicked everybody out. This is awesome. This is gonna be a good night, guys. Oh, I don't know if I'm ready to see all the Christmas stuff. I hope they'll have Frankenstein and the Bride and Dracula out as well. Oh yeah. Welcome past members. Oh, the Grinch.
They never had a Christmas tree here.
They did last year. The same one with the dinosaurs on it. Super Nintendo with like nobody in it. Because
Oh.
everybody's like leaving the park right now. I don't know what that sound was.
There's like hardly nobody here right now.
It's very slippery. There's like nobody here. This is the only time to come here. Wow. Mario Kart said 10 minutes, but they were like, no, you're gonna walk straight on.
No, it was like at least a minute just to walk.
We didn't even have to. We skipped the rooms. You had to like listen to all the videos.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff.
no instructions, nothing. We just walked on
And I also kicked Gustavo's butt.
by 5 points.
No, but like 10.
Last time I checked, I kicked your butt last time.
Doesn't matter. I won tonight. All right, we're gonna go see the Grinch is out yet downstairs because I don't know. I want to meet him the most.
If not, mummy.
Yeah. Hey, I have a question for you.
You have a question for me?
Yeah.
All right, what's your question?
Why you got milk and cookies? Don't you like onions and glass?
I do. Those are onion cookies.
Oh, they are?
Yeah! Favorite kind. You can't have any because they're
Aw.
mine especially.
Oh yeah.
That's right.
All right, we just finished meeting up with the Grinch.
Yeah.
It was a good time. You guys, I'll post, I have the video up there with meeting the Grinch. I didn't film the whole meeting because I was like, all right, it's time for pictures. And then, I haven't drank in like over a year, but I'm having pina colada tonight. Hey Gustavo,
Yeah.
how would you rate this event as a free annual pass holder event?
10 out of 10 because it's less crowded.
And we got to go on Mario Kart, like no wait.
No wait, it's just a walk on.
The Mummy, no
walk
wait.
on. We got the front row and only 4 people were on that ride, including us.
Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna have a good night.
Yeah.
It just started. We met the Grinch in like 18 minutes.
That's true. We'll see if we could get let's see if we meet him again at the main process.
Oh, we can.
Yeah.
Should we meet him twice tonight?
We'll see.
Good day. Happy holidays to you all. I'm the Mayor of Whoville. Welcome to our town, both the big and the small. As the Book of Who proclaims, we welcome all to join in our grandest tradition. Who's over here? All the who's out there, who's from every which way and where. Welcome to the Whovilation!
I'm gonna need a bigger sleigh. All right, time to get to work. Hey DJ, hit me with a bouncy sing.
You're as cuddly as a cactus, and as charming as a deer, Mr. Gray. Don't you
What was that?
size is that?
Oh my gosh. Bird, come on. I'm feeling.
Looking around, he puzzled. And he puzzled some more. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas. Maybe Christmas doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more.
Magnificent tree!
Oh, your first good idea! Yes!
Hop with me, one and all, from 5 to 1 who's tall and small. Are you ready?
Yes! Terrific! 3, across, and 5. So the Grinch saved Christmas, and all through the town, all the who's here and who watched the snow falling down.
Snowing is not.
And a happy New Year! Mr. Man, go on, put it there. Better luck next time!
They're sweeping the harbor, making sure it's safe for us to return to the beach.
Stop.
That's it. I see a pin in the water. Everybody, don't get in the water.
Bye, George. Yes, bring me by the fire. Oh shit. Yeah, so sick.
Well, I hope everyone enjoyed meeting Bruce, our mechanical shop.
There you guys have it. That's what we did tonight at the AP event at Universal Studios Hollywood. Hope you enjoyed it. Meeting the Grinch.
Yeah, I mean, the Grinch.
We're leaving kind of early because it's cold, and we got Disney tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.